teamwork. It takes teamwork to build quality, to build relationships, to build trust. Crestmark Construction Services has been doing just that for well over a decade. We pride ourselves in offering a wide range of services from the foundation to the roof, from a simple coat of paint to complete renovations. Our team has knowledge and expertise to professionally and efficiently make our projects and yours a success. Not only creating comfortable homes for apartment dwellers in Houston, Galveston, Dallas, San Antonio, and Austin, but we help communities thrive and build themselves, and not just in Texas. We move our team throughout the country and have licenses to operate in several states. An active member of several apartment associations, Crestmark Construction not only sponsors events, we give back.
Crestmark comes together as a family and a team, and we find it very important to sponsor charities, being members of associations, and do things that help give back.
It's all part of being a good community leader, and Crestmark is there to help build your team and your trust.